We are with a grade 7 class at Valley Park Middle School. We are having them get their hands dirty working with exercises on how they might use AI technology if they were to think like a builder. We also had the kids play Pictionary as a way of showing them how in the field of AI we build data sets. It's just, there's these really cool creative ways to make this field more accessible to everyone.
Seeing all these kids and bringing them these ideas and seeing how their brain works, which already is fascinating to me. It's a lot of validation, it's a lot of good feedback. It's a signal that there's a growing knowledge out there that AI and all of these tools are being used by students to upskill at a much faster rate. AI can help us do everything that we do, obviously with the human in the loop. It makes us safer, it makes us more agile, and it makes us more efficient.
For us, we're really about bringing people together and creating community around this. So it maybe is kind of a cheesy term to say it takes a village, but it really is going to take all Canadians and all industry partners and all companies coming together with organizations like ours and creating these collaborations and partnerships in order for young people to get these skills in their classrooms today.